Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello. How are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes. Before going to the topic, I want to say you warm up exercise. Be ready, students. Stand, sit, stand, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop, jump, stop, sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, stop, sit, stand, jump, stop, sit, stand, jump, stop, sit, stand, jump, stop. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands. Stop. Clap. 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 Stop. Okay, children, sit in your place. Children, take out your classwork. Chapter number 6. Time. Already yesterday I told you. Yes, days of the weeks, months, everything. Yes, today you should write in the classwork. Okay. How many days are there in a week? What are they? See, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Yes. They are, first one, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See, how many days are there in a week? What are they? There are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay? Read and write in the classwork. Read and write, ma. Second one. How many months are there in a year? What are they? See, there are 12 months in a year. How many months? 12 months in a year. Yes. See, what are they? They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, see how many months in a year? 12 months. What are they? They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Understood? Write in the classwork. See children, there are how many months? 12 months. First month, which one is first month? January is the first month. Second month, February. Third month, March. Fourth month, April. Fifth month, May. Sixth month, June. Seventh month, July. Eighth month, August. Ninth month, September. 10th month, October. 11th month, November. 12th month, December. Understood children? Read and write in the classwork. See children, a month has how many days? A month has 30 or 31 days. Understood? A month has 30 or 31 days. See, February. How many days? Second month of the February is the second month. Yes. How many days it has? February has 28 or 29 days. Understood? How many, one month has how many full weeks? 4 full weeks. Understood? February is the second month in a year, as it has 28 or 29 days. Okay, there are 4 full weeks in a month. Understood? See, 10 years make a decade. 10 years decade. 100 years make a century. A century. Make a century. See, 100 years make a century. Understood, children? See, 10 years make a decade. 100 years make a century. Write in the classwork, ma. Important points these all. Understood? These are important points. Should learn this all. Write in the classwork. Okay. Open your workbook, children. Everyone open your workbook. Children, open your workbook. Which of, see, time, chapter 6 time. See, multiple choice questions. Which of the following takes more time? Saying your name, writing your name, saying 1 to 100, writing 1 to 100. Which one will take time? More time? Yeah, writing 1 to 100. First one, D. Next, travel by which of the following takes less time? Riding a bicycle, walking, going in a auto rickshaw, going in a car. Going in a car. D1. Auto rickshaw is more speed or a car is more speed? Car. Yes. By what we can go fast? No. Bicycle. In the bicycle you can go fast? No. But car it will go fast. That's why car. Going in a car. Okay. How can you travel the fastest from the city to another? Tell me. By rickshaw, by train, by bicycle, by bus. Which one? By bus. Bus is going, it's go fast. See, multiple choice question. There are dash months in a year. How many months in a year? 12 months, 11 months, 10 months, 9 months. How many months? Yeah, 12 months. A. April has dash days. 365 days, 30 days, 31 days, 0 days. 30 days. S. B1. Dash is the 7th month of the year. Which is the 7th month of the year? Tell me. July, June, May, August. Which one? July. A. C. Fill in the blanks. There are dash full weeks in a month. There are dash weeks. How many weeks? 4 weeks. S. 10 years make a decade. Seven days make a week. Yes or no? Copy in the workbook. See, look at the see children, very short answer questions. Look at the calendar given below. Answer the question from 10 to 12. See here they given 2019 calendar. S. July calendar they given. S. See, how many days are there in the July? See, total how many days are there in the July? See, 31 days. S. 31 days you should write. 31 days. Next, if 6th July is Saturday, when is the next Saturday? See here children, here 6th July is the Saturday. Yes, next Saturday, 13th July. Yes, 13th July. Yes, next, how many Sundays are there in the calendar? See, in this calendar, how many Sundays are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many Sundays? 4 Sundays. Yes, 4 Sundays. How many Sundays? 4 Sundays. See, short answer question. Look at the calendar given below. Answer the following question. See, January month they given as 2019 calendar. See, look at the calendar. Look at the calendar. Okay. After that, they given the questions. How many Saturdays, Sundays, Mondays are there? First question. How many Saturdays, Sundays and Mondays are there? See, how many Saturdays are there? See one. Here, how many Saturdays are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Saturdays. How many Sundays? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Sundays. How many Mondays are here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 Mondays. 4 Saturdays, 4 Sundays, 4 Mondays. Yes. See, 4 Saturdays, 4 Sundays, 4 Mondays. Yes or no? Solution. 13th one. See, 4 Saturdays, 4 Sundays, 4 Mondays. Yes, they are asking how many Sundays, how many Saturdays, how many Saturdays, how many Sundays, how many Mondays. Yes, 4, 4, 4. See, list out the dates that falls on Sunday. See, list out the dates. See, here Sunday. Yes, what are the dates here came? 6th, 13th, 20th, 27th. Yes, the dates you should write. This is A1. Okay, B1. What is that? B1 you should write. Yes, 6th Sundays. See Sundays. 6th, 30th, 13th, 20th and 27th. Yes. What are they? 6th, 13th, 20, 27th. Okay. Next, 14th one. 14th one. See, look at the calendar given below. Answer the question that follow. March month calendar they given. Yes. How many Thursdays are there? See, March month calendar. This is March month calendars. Where is Thursday? Here. Here is the Thursday. Yes. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Thursdays are there. Yes. How many? 4 Thursdays. Yes. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Thursdays. How many Thursdays are there? 4 Thursdays. 4 Thursdays. How many Thursdays? 4 Thursdays. Yes. List out the dates that follow on the Friday. On a Friday. See. Look at the calendar again. Here Friday. Yes. See, 1st, 8th, 15th, 22nd, 29th. These all are Fridays. Yes. How many? 5 Fridays. What are they? 1st, 8th, 15th, 22nd, 29th. Okay. The dates you should write. 1st, 8th, 15th, 22nd and 29th. Understood? Write in the workbook.